Form 1099 is one of several IRS tax forms used in the United States to prepare and file an information return to report various types of income other than wages, salaries, and tips, for which Form W-2 is used instead. The term information return is used in contrast to the term tax return, although the latter term is sometimes used colloquially to describe both kinds of returns. The form is used to report payments to independent contractors, rental property income, income from interest and dividends, sales proceeds, and other miscellaneous income. Blank 1099 forms and the related instructions can be downloaded from the IRS website. Payees use the information provided on the 1099 forms to help them complete their own tax returns. In order to save paper, payers can give payees one single combined Form 1099 that lists all of their 1099 transactions for the entire year. Taxpayers are usually not required to attach Form 1090 to their own federal income tax returns unless the Form 1099 includes a report for federal income tax withheld by the payer from the related payments. The issuance or non-issuance of a Form 1099 in a particular case is not determinative of the tax treatment required of the payee. Each payee taxpayer is legally responsible for reporting the correct amount of total income on his or her own federal income tax return, regardless of whether a Form 1099 was filed. For a variety of reasons, some Form 1099 reports may include amounts that are not actually taxable to the payee. A typical example is Form 1099-S for reporting proceeds, not gain, from real estate transactions. The Form 1099-S preparer will report the sales proceeds without regard to the amount of the taxpayer's basis in the real estate sold. Basis is usually the amount of cost incurred by the taxpayer when he or she acquired the property, perhaps years before the sale. The taxpayer's basis amount is deducted by the taxpayer, on his or her own tax return, from the proceeds amount to determine the gain, if any, on the sale. In any case, the payee taxpayer remains responsible for filing an accurate federal income tax return.